Good sir, why dost thou tarry in thine chores?
Nay, Sir Knight, I doth not tarry in mine own chores.
Thou dost tarry in thine chores, and I pity thee to return to thine work.
Nay, Sir Knight,
Thou dost dare to deny a valiant knight? Return to thine chores within the hour. Ponderous serf, or thou wilt surely pay.
Thy will be done, Sir Knight. Nay. Nay, vile knave, wherefore dost thou order me around, denying mine own word, merely because I am a serf? Indeed, thou art a despicable knave. Thou dost not deserve to wear thine armor.
How dare thee?
I doth challenge thee to a duel, one that is fair and just. Then we shall see if thou dost deserve to wear thine armor.
Aye, and thou shalt surely fall, vile serf.
Thou first, knave.
When I have defeated you, thou shalt become the knave.
Thou art a worthy opponent, but not as formidable as I. Yeah.
Though thou art a formidable opponent, thou shalt not vanquish me.
We shall see. Yeah. Ha. Ha. Tremble before me! Yeah! Oh. I have defeated the knave, and now I am the knight! Bow before me, peasants, and witness what I can do! You weak sir, I doth challenge thee to a duel. I, the supreme knight Asmit, shall surely win.
Hey, young Asmit, what if thou shalt not win?
Foolish serf, I always win. Now I demand of thee to join me on the battlefield. You weak serf, I doth challenge thee to a duel. I, the supreme knight Asmit, shall surely win.
Nay, young Asmit, what if thou dost not win?
Foolish serf, I always win, and I demand of thee to join me on the battlefield. You weak serf, I doth challenge thee to a duel. I, the supreme knight Asmit, shall surely win.
Nay, sir, nay. What if thou dost not win?
Foolish serf, I always win. Now I demand of thee to join me on the battlefield. Yeah! I demand to see the lord of this house.
I am Baden, the lord of this house. What are you doing here, young sirrah?
I am called Asmit, and I wish to prove I am the greatest jeweler in all the land. I challenge thee, humble lord, to a duel. Be warned, I shall surely win.
Thou art a prideful young sir. This pride will be your downfall. Dost not challenge me, and leave in peace. Return to thine own home.
Nay, verily I say unto you, I shall duel you today. Or art thou too frightened of my own might?
Thou shalt not be convinced. I shalt have to show you your fault. I agree to this duel, prideful Asmit, but be warned, thou pride shall fail you in the end.
I hope thou art ready, prideful sir.
Let us get this over with, old one. Wilt thou walk?
Aye, let us begin.
Ha ha! Is this the best that thou canst do?
young Asmit, thou pride shalt in thee. Hyah!
I lost?
Pride goes before destruction, and a haughty spirit before the fall.